Welcome! In this video, we'll review how to create your very own Amazon store. We'll walk through the process of setting up your store, discuss its components, and explore the benefits of having an Amazon store. Stores are a free, self-service, branded destination on Amazon where you can curate content that inspires and educates. Stores offer customization options that let you showcase your brand and products to shoppers as they search and browse. Stores can help you reach new customers by providing an always-on destination for them to learn about your brand. Stores also give you the control to create an Amazon shopping experience that you can optimize using insights about performance, campaigns, traffic, and sales related to your store. Creating a store is free, and with our easy-to-use store builder, no design experience is required to get started. Now, let's review how to set up your store. Start by logging into the advertising console and selecting Brand Content on the left side of the page. Next, click Create Store to start creating your store. Create your store's homepage by entering your brand name and then adding a high-quality image of your brand logo, ensuring it's at least 400 by 400 pixels. Once this is set up, you can use the store builder to further customize the experience. Remember, the homepage is what shoppers will see when they arrive at your store. We recommend featuring your logo and other imagery that helps showcase your brand. Next, pick your preferred template. This will be how your products and pages display to shoppers. You can use a template as is, or customize by removing or adjusting specific sections to fit your needs. Next, you can build sub-pages to showcase specific products in more detail. To create a page, click Add Page in the Store Builder and choose from the options. We recommend using a product collection template to showcase your top-selling products. You should include links to help shoppers navigate between subpages so they can easily view your full catalog. After choosing your template and adding subpages, use the Tile Manager to populate your store with relevant videos, images, and text. This will help your store stand out when shoppers browse. You can add, delete, and organize these drag-and-drop tiles to fit your needs and to help engage shoppers. Now you're ready to review and publish. Be sure to preview your store on both desktop and mobile to ensure a positive viewing experience. Once you publish, or schedule to publish on a specific date, your store will go under moderation review within 24 hours. You can track your approval status in the Store Builder. Once approved, your store will be published on your preferred date. Congratulations, you created your first store. As you get started, be sure to check which product listings perform well to optimize your store's layout using the store's Insight page. This will help you to continue to improve your store now that it's live. Ready to get started? Visit ads.amazon.com.